Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the new Bape camera bag, which is, I got this from a personal shopper, so from the United States. So let's just get on to unboxing it. Okay, guys, if you don't know me, if you've not watched my videos before, I'm a bit of a hype beast. I have a lot of hype beast clothing, bags and stuff like that. So if you do want to check out my channel, please do subscribe also. And I have a lot of other videos. I just did an unboxing of this bag, which is the new crossbody bag of Bape. So you definitely want to check out this one as well. If you want to check out that video, please click on the description below. So let's get on to unboxing this Bape bag, guys. So before we start, let's just get on to the plastic bag over here. So if you can see over here, the plastic bag with the thing over here, let's open it. I've already opened this and I've already done the, I've already put the strap on, but the strap comes inside this, guys. So over here, let's get on to the bag. So this is the new camera bag, or the Bape's new crossbody bag. I really like this bag because it's compact. At the same time, it fits your phone and it fits everything in here. So you definitely want to check this out. Okay, so let's just get into the details. I'm a very detailed guy. I like to check all the little details. So let's just look at the small little zip over here. On the zip, you have the word Bape over here. So you have the Bape, you have the Bape logo here, which is this small little thing on the strap. Let's just check. Okay, they don't have anything on the strap itself. So over here, okay, so over here you have this little sticker which says a bathing ape, and over here under this you'll see this. Okay, so the bathing ape is under this. I'm quite surprised, I never checked this out before, but this is a velcro and it goes on to this over here, which is very cool, very high-speed thing. It's definitely very cool. I never expected that. So let's just get on to opening the bag and checking out what we have inside. So basically, let's see what they have here. Okay, so what they have. Okay, it's an empty bag. They don't really have much inside. It just has the logo, and then it has, if you see here, it has the Bape in gold. It has this Bape emblem in gold, which is really cool. Over here, you have the back of the bag. It's a really nice Camo bag. So this is the Bape camera bag, or the Bape Camo bag, as I would like to call it. I really like it without the Velcro. I would probably get this onto my t-shirt or something, which I could stick on there. But it's really cool, guys. So just again another look at the bag. A very, very, very cool bag. So this is the new. I don't think this is new. This is quite old. So I got it from a personal shopper. If you guys wanted to buy it, you can buy it directly from the Bape's website. So guys, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing lots of other videos of lots of other hypebeast stuff. So please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.